This is a new day, a new beginning.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be opening up another box of the Star Wars Galaxy. Now, so with these ones, I've been so obsessed with all these cards, and I have a binder that has basically almost all 100 base sets. And if it's like the mini diamond refractor, mini diamond, or number cards, are gonna go into these little card sleeves. And I'm also trying to collect, like, and I know it's gonna be difficult, but every single Ahsoka card that has ever been made for Topps. And I know it's gonna be a journey, but with these ones, it starts with these because it's the first time I'm doing it. And obviously, yes, her rookie card and stuff and all the other cards, but today I'm just probably more looking for the Ahsoka cards, the Darth Vader cards, and the Naboo cards, but that's enough talking for me. Let's crack this bad boy open. Alright, here we go. We got our gloves on, we got the box, and here we go. We're about to cut this bad boy open and see what we got. Yeah, let me know if you guys have opened up some stuff and see what you got and what have you gotten from your boxes. Okay. Before we start opening up packs, is there any ones that's like thick boy? This one looks a little thick down here. Any of them look thick to you guys? I know that's like the thing. It's like, oh, this one has this one because it's thick. Or they all look the same to you. But anyways, let's just get right into it. I've never seen that before. It's flipped both ways. But, okay. Oh, we got a good card, I guess. Did not mean to do that. Okay. AT-AT driver. Ahsoka. Ooh. Anakin. Ooh, that is a sick looking Anakin, too. It's perfect, too. First pull. Got Art of the Sith card, Darth Vader's mask. And at the end of it, I will be sleeving all this, so don't you worry, guys. Just because. And our mini refractor was this, I believe? Yep, as you, if it would focus. Yeah, you can see a diamond, mini diamond refractor. And then put those there, but yeah, this is gonna be fun. Oh, already got a number card. What the heck? Has anyone else seen these backwards, or is it just me? Or is it just me? So we got Luke on Tatooine, Babu Frick. Oof. And an Anakin. Dude, this is one of the ones I wanted. I think it's a lava refractor one. And it is numbered 162 out of 175. Oof, that's a beautiful card. And the Mustafar battle, so beautiful. And I guess I just don't freak out and murder me in my sleep. But yeah, we only opened 2 packs and already have 2 amazing Darth Vader hits. Yeah. Already have 2 amazing Darth Vader hits. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. as you can see, got them sleeved up. I already have 2 hits on here. And what was the... I believe it was... Nope, I think that is because that's the hit already. Damn, already 2 hits and we're not even halfway. We're not even 2 cards into this yet. Okay, here we go. Finally, it's been back to normal, but we got Phasma. Oof, beautiful Darth Vader card. Oof, Darth Vader again. And look at that. Oof, 3 Darth Vaders and a Phasma. But yeah, these cards are so sick. Yeah, as you can see, that's a mini diamond refractor, even though it's not mini diamond, but another 2 Vader hits, which are beautiful. We got Boba Fett, Han Solo. Oof! Another Anakin card, guys. The Diamond Mini Refractor is Mando, but dude, hitting it off again with another Anakin card. Mortis Vision, another Dark Side. Man, we've been already hitting it off nice and beautiful with a lot of Anakin cards already. A lot of Anakin / Darth Vader cards already, which are crazy. But yeah, another Darth Vader card. Whew. Not even halfway through this pack and we're already hitting good. Oof. Got the Boba Fett there. Oh, wait. What was that? No, there's just 1 card. Okay. We got Kylo. Oof. And was that a mini? Is that the mini diamond? I think that's a mini diamond AT-AT driver, but we got the victory and defeat card from season 7 of from Ahsoka from Clone Wars, which is beautiful. But yeah, mini diamond hit. I think that's what that is. It's beautiful. But yeah, I'm probably gonna cut this up a bit. But yeah, already a hit right there. I'm gonna put that on the bottom because we want to see Anakin. Do you guys think we're gonna hit another Anakin in this pack? I want to get the one of him in Rebels, but who knows? Lando, C-3PO-R2 with the Rancor. I forgot who this guy's name is. Padme and Sabe, and a mini diamond refractor Count Dooku. Oof. Got some beautiful cards in there. We got Yoda and Palpatine. Probably on Dagobah with Yoda's vision. This one, I hope that they do with the Stormtroopers, I hope they do like the Clone Troopers. That would be a sick card, but this is sick. Ooh, we got a Maul 25th anniversary and Kylo on Mustafar. That's the mini diamond. But this is a beautiful card. This is beautiful. Double bladed. Ooh, my boy looking spiffy. There he is. All cleaned up. Still gonna put him on the bottom because Anakin deserves to be on top. I can't wait for the Galaxy 2025 to come out because I wonder what it's gonna look like. And we got Vader being born. Ooh, such a sick card. Another Vader card. Ooh. And ooh, this is numbered. 164 out of 199 Boba Fett, which is cool. And I like this card because it's a 66 card, but man, and you can tell it's numbered with the green too. Oof. This card just looks beautiful. Yep, there's our another hit. 164 out of 199. And there he is, all sleeved up. We got Rey and BB-8 on Tatooine. Another Count Dooku. Oh my god, Mando. And Ahsoka and Grogu. This was a sick scene in Mando. Just learning about his name and stuff. Man, I wish we could go back to that time where it was good. Beautiful. Ahsoka and Morgan Elsbeth. That's a beautiful card. Oof. This beautiful, beautiful Darth Vader card. Moff Gideon and Vader on Mustafar. I think, yep, Mini Diamond Refractor. And this, I believe, is the, yep, Moff Gideon Galactic Empire original art card. Look at my boy Moff Gideon, so shiny. Oof. My boy Moff Gideon. Next pack. Oof. I've been looking for this card too, and I know that people were doing it on whatnot, like selling this card, but I just want to try to pull it myself, and I finally pulled this Anakin, which is so sick. Shock Trooper, Anakin, oh my god, Anakin, Luke and Obi-Wan, and was a Mini Diamond Ahsoka. Start of episode 3. Look at that. Look at Obi-Wan and Anakin. Ooh. There's Vader on Malachor. Oof. And Bosch, Leia, and Chewie, which is the Mini Diamond Refractor. But these are such beautiful cards, especially this one. Yeah, Braver Than Most. So beautiful. And this Ahsoka versus Maul, one of the great scenes in season 7. We got Rey. Was it IG? Yep, IG with Baby Yoda. Oof. And Vader and Boba and Han, but we got an art card from Naboo. Yep, Deed Palace. So beautiful. And we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. I love. What do you guys think of Galaxy 2024? I think it's the best. Oh, I didn't want to see that. I didn't want to see that yet. Okay, so we got Kylo, look, Mustafar. We got Ahsoka and Grogu. We got Vader and Mustafar, and the one is Leia rescuing Han Solo, and it is out of 75. Let's go. 15 out of 75. That's a beautiful banger right there. We're going to sleeve that up. Out of 75.
Without the council and without you.
Ooh, another Bochley and Chewie. Damn, these cards be upside down. Luke and Obi-Wan. Yo! Yo! Is that a sketch card? Bro! No! Bro, I can't believe this. An Ahsoka gold foil sketch by, I don't know how to pronounce his name, Kang Jing. Dude, the fact that I pulled a Ahsoka sketch card out of this. Oh my god. Bro. Holy, this is getting in a one touch. This is a one touch case right here, guys. Dude, this is a banger. I gotta put this down for a minute, dude. A gold sketch foil in this pack. Holy. Wow. That is incredible. And it's Ahsoka too, which makes this pack 10 times better. But a golden sketch foil, guys. Wow. That is crazy. And we got this Vader card, but this pack is a hit. This pack is a hit. We got the upside down, the B-Wing and TIE Defender, I believe. And we got the Jedi and we got the, what is, oh my god, dude, we got another Maul card. And we got an Ahsoka, and this is the Diamond Ring Refractor. Yeah. But man, we got another Maul card. Let's freaking go, guys, dude. This has been probably the best pack opening I have ever seen in my life. And man, and I was gonna wait to do this on Saturday or whenever you guys see this, Sunday or whatever. But man, I can't believe dude, this pack is incredible. We're down to 2 packs left. But man, this pack has been a banger. And this one's upside down. We got Yoda. Finally got this card, which is the box art of it. We got Jabba and Salacious, and a diamond Vader, guys. Dude, this pack has been, dude, this pack has been crazy today. Man, I can't believe I just pulled that incredible art card. But yeah, now we got that. Alright, guys. Last pack magic. Let's see what we can get. We got Vader choking out Lando with Lobot standing there. R2 and Luke. We got Boba Fett and Jabba. Jeez. And a mini diamond reef. Oh no. Oh no, this is numbered. No shot, dude. 147 out of 150, Ahsoka's return. Let's freaking go, guys. Man. Dude, this pack has all been worth it. Like, I can't believe it. And this is the second box I've opened of Galaxy 2024. Man. So, yeah, that's everything. Let's show everything off that we got. So, we got Anakin to the dark side. An Aqua, if I could focus it a little bit. An Aqua Refractor. 162 out of 175. We got Anakin Vader art card. We got the Diamond AT-AT driver. A beautiful Darth Maul card. A 164 out of 199 Boba. A Moff Gideon art card. I don't know what this one's called. I think it's Sonar Refractor. 15 out of 75. A Maul card. A Diamond. No, this one's not. A Diamond. A Ahsoka out of 150, and this beauty. Can you believe that it's Ahsoka too, guys? And I'm a huge Ahsoka fan. And this is probably the biggest pull I have ever gotten in opening a pack. It's just a golden ash sketch card by Kang Jing. I think that's how you pronounce it. But man, this has been a banger pack. And I want to thank you guys for watching. And just, yeah, it's just beautiful. But I hope to see you guys in the next video. And who knows, we might open more packs. But see you guys in the next video. Peace out.